What's up, guys? It's your boy Suspense Jr. and welcome to another episode of Playing Watch Dogs. Right now I gotta take down the target and I got a good idea of how. I just got a grenade launcher from the gun store. So I'm gonna blow them up, I guess, blow up their cars with this. This is gonna be my first time using it too, so if I miss or something, they'll be like, oh, you got no iron. Shoot. Alright, let's see how I'm gonna do this. Alright, they right there. Oh! So I'm gonna go ahead. This. Oh! 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 Whoa, that was sick.
911, please state the nature of your
I'm
emergency.
out of here.
I don't know what to do.
Whoa.
Where can I go? Please, save us.
Dang it.
CTOS can't authorize initializing search for suspect now.
Don't I have them things? Jam cons, yeah. Alright, I just used one. Change traffic light. Turn left. And that grenade launcher is sick.
Oh yes, this is squad. CTOS scan came up blank. I can't find him. Time to get your flu shot. And here's where Smart City CTOS can use it for you. Simply sign in and have a city access
What's this?
medical records.
Wait, hold on. What's that ahead of me?
Records from your smart device and locate the closest clinic near you. Appointment booking and reminders are also offered with the service. CTOS, helping you stay healthy.
How do you get here? Oh, that's a mission. I ain't doing no campaign missions. We'll see you guys in the next clip. So guys,
We need you to hack them and install a back door for us.
So yeah, guys, I jumped into an online hacking mission. This will be fun. Why oh, alright, good. He's not on. Every time I do this, they're always in a train. One time I was in this big, truck. I wonder, did he notice me? Okay, got him. Hiding car. Oh, wait. Can you use ATMs in multiplayer? Yeah, you can. Ooh. Alright. Get some cash real quick. Oh, I thought that was the guy chasing me. I got scared for a second. Alright, hiding car again. Did he see me? I don't think he knows it's me. Or did he pause his game or something? What the heck? Uh-oh. Oh no, he don't see me. Oh, Aiden know how to hide, man. Where'd he go? Please don't see me. Please don't see me. Ah! Nope. Oh! Evade him! Don't kill him! Whoa! Dang it! I was so close. This has been another episode of Playing Watch Dogs. Hope you enjoyed. Leave a like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Peace.